Hello everyone. Have you ever felt like you don't fit in no matter how hard you try? Or do you feel misunderstood even when your intentions are good? Or do you feel more comfortable being alone than forcing connections? Or have people ever distanced themselves from you without a clear reason? Or do you feel drained when you try to fit in with the crowd? If these are your questions, then this video is for you. Welcome to Soul Alchemist. Sometimes people misunderstand your need for alone time and not fitting as something wrong with you, even distancing themselves. But there is nothing strange about it. Sometimes not fitting in simply means you're different for a reason. For example, you may be naturally quiet. Others might see this as a flaw because you don't talk much or enjoy large gatherings. But God may have made you this way on purpose. The path He has for you requires someone who listens more than they speak. If God has called you to be a prophet or prophetess, being careful with your words matters. When you try to change who you are or talk too much, it can become harder to hear His voice. Maybe you don't like having a big circle of friends and wonder why connecting with many people feels difficult. It could be that God is intentionally keeping your circle small. Where He is taking you may not require many people around you. God may have given you a strong, independent mind, one that isn't easily influenced by others' opinion. When you study the Bible, you will notice that many men and women God used walked alone at different points in their journey. The key is to accept who God created you to be, even if others don't understand it. Chosen ones have a unique perspective. Their mindset is about following a higher purpose, like inner growth or leadership, which make it hard to fit into society's superficial expectations. Their thoughts, values, and sense of truth don't follow the crowd. They question what others accept without thinking and are not comfortable with. That's just how it is. This naturally challenges the current state of things, and this can make people around them feel uncomfortable, especially those who choose comfort over growth. They are very empathetic and spiritually aware and prefer deeper, meaningful relationships over superficial connections. A chosen one need for alone time is often misunderstood as being antisocial. They are naturally sensitive and intuitive, which makes them more aware of energy and emotions around them. Loud, busy environments can feel overwhelming and draining. Spending time alone allows them to recharge, restore inner balance, gain clarity, and remain connected to their deeper purpose and inner guidance. People often misunderstand the chosen one because they follow a different path. Others often fail to understand or accept their choices. Their unique way of seeing the world can leave them feeling isolated and misunderstood by friends, family, and peers. A chosen one refuses to change themselves just to fit in. They know who they are and value their individuality, so they don't hide their personality or soften their ambitions to make others feel comfortable. They are frequently free spirited, so instead of mixing in for approval, they choose authenticity even when it means standing out or being misunderstood. Have you noticed that just being yourself makes some people uncomfortable? This happens because your honesty and inner strength reflect what others try to avoid within themselves. When you live authentically without pretending or seeking approval, it can expose the limits of close minded thinking. Some people feel challenged by this not because you attack them, but because your presence highlights their fear of change or growth. As a result, tension naturally arises not from conflict but from the contrast between truth and comfort. Before we conclude this video, thank you for your loving support and wishing you a day as beautiful as your spirit.